Is your aloe vera growing painfully slow or staying tiny no matter what you do? The secret to a bigger, faster-growing aloe isn't luck. It's using the right care methods most people ignore. Today, you'll discover 7 simple tricks that can turn a weak aloe vera into a thick, thriving powerhouse packed with juicy leaves. If you want your aloe to grow faster, healthier, and fuller, keep watching, because tip number 5 surprises most plant owners. Number 1. Give your aloe vera more bright sunlight. Aloe vera loves sunlight. One of the biggest reasons aloe plants stay small is not getting enough light. Place your aloe near a bright south-facing or west-facing window where it can receive at least 6 hours of indirect or gentle direct sunlight daily. Morning sunlight is especially helpful because it encourages stronger growth without burning the leaves. If your aloe starts stretching upward or looking pale green, that's a sign it needs more light. Outdoors, aloe grows much faster because natural sunlight is stronger than indoor lighting. However, avoid suddenly placing indoor aloe in harsh afternoon sun because it can scorch the leaves. Gradually increase sun exposure over several days. Healthy light exposure helps aloe produce thicker leaves, stronger roots, and faster overall growth. The more energy your plant gets from sunlight, the bigger it can grow. If your home is dark, consider using a grow light during the evening to boost growth speed. 2. Use the right fast-draining soil. Aloe vera hates heavy, wet soil. Using regular garden soil can slow growth and even cause root rot. For faster and bigger growth, plant your aloe in a loose, well-draining cactus or succulent mix. This allows oxygen to reach the roots while preventing excess moisture from sitting around the plant. You can also improve drainage by mixing regular potting soil with coarse sand, perlite, or pumice. Fast-draining soil helps roots expand quickly, and healthy roots mean a larger aloe plant above the soil too. When roots stay wet too long, the plant focuses on survival instead of growing. But in airy soil, aloe can use its energy to create bigger leaves and produce healthy pups. Always use a pot with drainage holes to let excess water escape. Terracotta pots are excellent because they absorb extra moisture and help prevent overwatering problems. Number 3. Water deeply, but less often. Many people kill aloe with kindness by watering too often. Aloe vera stores water inside its thick leaves, so it prefers deep but infrequent watering. Instead of giving small amounts every few days, water thoroughly only when the soil becomes completely dry. This method encourages roots to grow deeper into the soil searching for moisture. Deeper roots create a larger, stronger plant. During warm growing seasons, aloe may need watering every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on temperature and humidity. In cooler months, watering may only be needed once every 3 to 4 weeks. Always check the soil before watering. If the soil still feels moist, wait longer. Overwatering causes yellow leaves, mushy stems, and stunted growth. Healthy watering habits help aloe grow thicker leaves much faster while reducing stress on the plant. Number 4. Repot. When the plant gets crowded, aloe vera grows surprisingly fast when its roots have room to spread. If your plant has been in the same small pot for years, growth can slow dramatically. Repotting into a container that is 1 to 2 inches larger gives roots extra space and fresh nutrients. Signs your aloe needs repotting include roots growing out of drainage holes, very slow growth, or pups overcrowding the container. Spring is the best time to repot because the plant enters its active growing season. When repotting, gently remove old compacted soil and inspect the roots. Healthy roots should look firm and light-colored. Use fresh succulent mix and avoid watering immediately after repotting for a day or 2. This allows damaged roots to heal and prevents rot. A slightly larger pot combined with fresh soil can dramatically increase aloe growth speed within weeks. Number 5. Feed aloe vera. The right fertilizer. Most aloe plants grow slowly because they never receive nutrients. While aloe doesn't need heavy feeding, occasional fertilizer can encourage faster growth and larger leaves. Use a diluted succulent fertilizer or balanced liquid fertilizer during spring and summer. Feed only once a month during the active growing season. Too much fertilizer can damage roots and cause weak growth, so always use half-strength solutions. Organic compost tea or worm castings can also provide gentle nutrients naturally. Nitrogen supports leaf growth, while phosphorus and potassium help roots stay healthy. A well-fed aloe produces greener, thicker leaves and stronger overall structure. Avoid fertilizing during winter because aloe grows much slower during colder months. A little fertilizer at the right time can make a huge difference in growth speed. Number 6. Remove pups to boost main plant growth. Aloe vera produces baby plants called pups around its base. While pups are exciting, too many can compete with the mother plant for nutrients, water, and space. Removing some pups allows the main aloe to grow bigger and stronger faster. Wait until pups are several inches tall before separating them. Gently remove the plant from the pot and carefully divide the pups using clean hands or a sterile knife. Each pup should have some roots attached before replanting. You can grow the pups in separate pots to create more aloe plants for free. Meanwhile, the mother plant can redirect its energy toward producing larger leaves instead of supporting multiple babies. This simple trick often results in noticeably faster growth within a few months. Number 7. Keep aloe vera warm and stress-free. Aloe vera thrives in warm conditions between 55 degrees Celsius and 85 degrees Celsius. Cold temperatures can slow growth dramatically and even damage the plant. Keep aloe away from freezing temperatures, cold drafts, air conditioners, or sudden temperature changes. Stable conditions help aloe focus its energy on growing instead of surviving stress. Aloe also appreciates good airflow and moderate humidity. Dusty leaves can reduce sunlight absorption, so gently wipe leaves occasionally with a soft cloth. Healthy plants grow faster because they can photosynthesize more efficiently. If growing outdoors, protect aloe during heavy rain periods because excessive moisture can damage roots. A stress-free aloe vera with warmth, sunlight, and proper care can grow surprisingly large in a relatively short time. Now you know the 7 powerful ways to grow aloe vera faster and bigger. With better sunlight, proper watering, fresh soil, and a few simple tricks, your aloe can transform into a huge, healthy plant with thick, beautiful leaves. Try these methods consistently, and you'll start seeing impressive growth soon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy plant care tips